Hey friends, if you wish to fix the alert system battery voltage is low message, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the resolution has been expressed on the Microsoft Answers forum. It says that they are referring to the internal battery. Okay, so you have to replace the internal battery. There's no other solution. The internal battery is called the CMOS battery. Okay, I'll try to search for it on the internet and let's see what we get for it. I'm very sure that we won't find it on Amazon. Okay, we do find it on Amazon. So if you're finding it on Amazon, we can buy it from Amazon. Otherwise, you can always contact your system manufacturer for it. No, this is not the CMOS battery. The CMOS battery is a different concept. So you'll have to contact your system manufacturer and buy a new CMOS battery, which is an internal battery of your computer, and it is very different from the battery you already have. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.